Hey everybody, this is a tutorial for how to get the thread started for making our enamel beaded mask straps. So we're going to go through two different ways here. The first one is going to be how to use the thread as a needle itself. And then the second way will be how to actually thread the needle, because the cord appears like it's too big for the needle. But there's some tricks. The reason that we give you this sturdy cord is because we want the strap to be durable and to hold up to you wearing it all day long. So it does require a thicker cord. So it appears that the cord is almost impossible to get through the hole of the beads, but it's not. We've got some secrets that we want to share with you. Whether you decide to use the needle method or just the thread, the first thing you want to do is use a lighter against the cord very gently in the upper part of the flame, and then run it through your fingers. What you want to do is you're kind of working the fibers so that it will fit through the needle or so that it will become hard so you can use it like a needle. So once you get it hot, you want to mash it with the pliers, which will kind of flatten the fibers. And then if you would like to use it as a needle, you'll see that it gets kind of hard. And sometimes it doesn't always get quite hard or sturdy enough the first time. So it's kind of a personal tendency, and you can just try it. You'll get a feel for it. If you need to go back and reheat it again with the lighter and squeeze it again, you can. Sometimes once you get it going pretty good, it's okay. But as you can see, because of course things never go the way they're supposed to in a video, I am making mine even more sturdy by just melting the wax in the thread a little bit more with the lighter. And you'll get a feel for this. Essentially, you're just making the thread into a needle. Because it is waxed, it will get hard enough that you can use it kind of like a needle on the end. You just want to make sure that the tip doesn't get too much of a ball on it from the lighter or from melting. So once you get it to the sturdiness that you like it, then you can begin stringing on your beads.